Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian beef and chicken light soup or pepper soup recipe with you all. It's also easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this combo. And so if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. To begin with this pepper soup, obviously I'm going to be cooking some vegetables. So to a pot, I will go in with some pepper, fresh pepper. You can also use powdered pepper for this recipe if that is what you want, alright? Moving forward, I'll go in with some fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, onion, and I'll go in with some water, cover it and allow it to cook until the veggies is soft enough for us to blend. Whilst that is going on, we also want to go ahead and start to steam our proteins. And so for proteins of choice, I'm going to be using fresh chicken and fresh beef. Alright, you can also use any protein of your choice. So to a big pot, I'll go in with all my proteins. I've washed these proteins very well. Alright, so moving forward, I'll also go in with some blended garlic, ginger, and some onion. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in this recipe in the description box for you to check it out. I'll also go in with just a little bit of tomato paste, chicken seasoning, meat seasoning powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. Everything inside this pot is totally to your taste. You can allow it to steam in its own juices if that is what you want. And adding in the water also speed up the cooking process as well, alright? And after like 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the meat looks like. The meat is still not ready, but I really want to give it a good mix for the tomatoes and the seasonings to really marinate, and also for the chicken to taste really good after it is done. So I'll give it a good mix, cover it on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to steam until it's nice and juicy. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, the meat is looking all juicy and just perfect. So at this point it is ready. So I'll go in with my blended ingredients or vegetables which I cooked earlier on, which is the pepper, tomatoes, garden eggs, and the onion. And after blending everything and adding it to the soup, I'll also go in with some water. The consistency of your soup really depends on how thick or light you want your light soup to be, alright? I will give it a good mix and also taste for salt. If it's not enough, you can go in with extra salt. Everything is totally to your taste. As I always say, I'll cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. Yes, light soup is very easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Don't forget as well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, the soup is all ready, as you can see. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. And so I paired mine with some fufu. Obviously, you know me, I'm a fufu gang, and today I'll be enjoying this chicken and beef light soup with my fufu. You can also enjoy it with any swallow or anything of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.